Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working guys on a Dodge Dart with keyless entry, keyless go entry guys, the one with the push start button as well guys, and the one that you can open the door by just having the key in your pocket. And if you're guys trying to find where your all three antennas are located guys, for the keyless entry and for the keyless start and go, stay with us and we'll explain all that today. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at this shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, we make at least 200 videos. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully guys the information will be helpful. If you guys want to save even more money on car parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below guys, and you can find all that there. Quick introduction now guys. This is a 2015 Dodge Dart GT keyless entry right here guys. That's what the remote looks like if you have one of those. Okay, the procedure will apply to your vehicle. Now we'll show you guys, you have three antennas as I said. The first antenna is the one that actually detects guys, okay, if you have the key to lock and unlock, okay, the door automatically here or by pushing the button, and to enter your car with just having the key in your pocket. This is the first antenna, and most of you will think that this antenna guys is located actually in the front door, right? Front door, because okay, that's where okay you open the doors wireless, okay, with the key being in your pocket. But wrong information guys, we took everything apart to make videos and we actually found it in the rear door. And it's in the rear door, okay, very close to the front door by the way. Okay, you can see where it's located. This is the antenna guys. Okay, we have it disconnected here to show you how to diagnose the system. We'll be making a separate video, so check it out. But this is it right here. So that's the antenna guys, and that controls entering your vehicle. The second antenna now, number two. Where is guys antenna number two? You have one that opens and closes, okay, locks the trunk of your Dodge Dart guys. Okay, this one right here, this is the button, as you know, clicking it, okay, you open the trunk. But where is that antenna? Pretty simple guys, let us show you now. If you remove your rear bumper, we have the video on the channel how to do that. This is the antenna guys, and that one can often go bad in my opinion. I don't know if it's for sure that way or not, but it doesn't have any screws here by factory. In my opinion, you should put one screw here guys, because it vibrates, okay, it has one very little clip holding it, so it can come off, it can be hanging guys, and it can damage itself. So that antenna, okay, definitely could get damaged. That's just my opinion guys, okay, maybe wrong, but this is where the second one is, under the rear bumper of your Dodge Dart guys. Except the one back there guys, you have one more, okay, right here. Okay, this one, it's next to the lock on the trunk there as well, so you have another one there as well. Quite a few antennas. I think total maybe you have up to 5 guys, 5 antennas for that thing. So that's where it's located. Now that button, ours, messes up a little bit sometimes. You can see how it opens and unlocks, so let me just shut it one more time. Nope, it's still stuck. So what about the third antenna guys? Third antenna is inside the car, and we have a video how to do that. This is the antenna that actually guys, okay, start your car guys, okay, right here. It starts your car with the push button, okay, the one that detects if you have the key in or if you don't have the key in. So that antenna guys, okay, we'll be making a special video for that. Okay, so push start button antenna, keyless entry antenna on Dodge Dart. Check it out guys. We'll confirm the location. From what I read, it's located in the center console, but we'll have a special video that will take everything apart and show you how to do that, so please check it out guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find the three antennas. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.